The final component of IT band pain is a very important muscle called glute max or gluteus maximus. If you missed our videos on glute medius and TFL, please watch them as well. So glute max, what is it and what happens? Why is it not working?
The glute max is one of the biggest muscles, or the biggest muscle in your body here. And it's the biggest muscle for a reason, because it holds or a lot of load. It takes a lot of weight, or at least it's supposed to. But what we end up doing is sitting on it all day, right? You sit in the car, you sit at work, you sit on the couch, at home afterward. No, you sit at dinner, lunch, whatever, right? So essentially what you do is you stretch the glutes all day, and then they get really lazy and inactive, and you're squeezing them and there's no blood flow to them, and they get those adhesions that we talked about, right? So the glute max, you guys know where it lives. Oh, who put that there? All right, the glute max, you guys know where it lives. It's the final muscle that we're talking about. It's more in the back of the body, and it ties to the IT band and runs down the side of the leg. So we have the glute max, the glute med, and the TFL. So to get the big picture, the backside muscles and the side muscles get weak, so then the TFL has to take over and be really tight, so you get this like cockeyed IT band thing going. So what do we need to do? We need to get that glute max going. First, take out the adhesions and the restrictions to let that muscle fire.
My friendly ball again. This time I place it a little bit closer to the posterior, the back aspect of the butt, and and I hang out. Nolan, how many seconds?
30 to 60 seconds as you find that uncomfortable point, and let it release.
And as he always says, it has to be uncomfortable. If it's not, you're not on the right spot. I am on the right spot. Moving on. Exercises.
Yeah. Oh. Super simple exercise to get the glutes firing is the bridge. Okay, so you don't have to do much more than just lift your hips up toward the ceiling. All right, you're gonna get your knees, hips, and shoulder in one straight line there, and make sure your glutes are firing, and make sure they're activating.
And there are progressions. You can lift your heels. You can march, which I am still working on. Lots of fun stuff to do.
And of course, you can move up to more functional movements like squatting and lunging after you know those glutes are firing.
That's right.
So that's it for the IT band. Remember the glute max, the glute med, the TFL. You guys need to balance those muscles. The TFL is usually one that's too tight because the glute max and the glute med are not contracting as much as we want them to. Okay?
Thank you. Stay tuned for other videos.